Hello there YouTube. Today I'm actually going to be showing you something that will really help you out. People get moany about Utorrent downloads, how they always go slow because there's so many videos on YouTube showing you how to set up Utorrent and you never know what the good settings are to get the perfect speeds. Well, today I'm showing you one of the best download speeds I can possibly give you with the right settings, because this here can actually reach up to 1.3 megabytes per second. I've actually hit 2 megabytes per second. As you can see, that is fast, and that's just downloading Fast and Furious 6, you know, and that's only been going for, let's say I'm halfway through, and that's been running for 13 minutes, and I've got halfway through 1.24 gigs. That's how fast this setup is. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to get the fastest download speeds ever. What I do warn you though is that if you want to use the internet, as you can see here, I'm about to watch last night's SmackDown because I missed it. While your file's downloading, I advise you not to use the internet while it does it, because the internet runs so slow. That took me about an hour to render, but other than that, you know. So let's get straight to the point. So go to Utorrent, don't leave everything running, doesn't matter. You get lots of twats out there just say pause your fucking content, stuff it. Right, go to your options, go to your preferences. Okay, and we're going to start up here to general. Okay, make sure it's got system default or whichever language you use. I advise you to start Utorrent when the window starts up and start minimize. Uncheck check extension and start up. Check for updates automatically, have it on. You're going to need that to get the latest versions, which is speed up more. Then the rest of it, you know, you can just leave that. Go to UI settings. Now, confirm when deleting Utorrent in case it accidentally delete it. Show confirmation. All this stuff. Just copy this basically. I'll give you a few minutes. Dying to watch wrestling. Daniel Bryan's getting good, isn't he? Alright, well yeah, you know, the yes stage. Go to your directories. Make sure it's like this. Go to your connection. Now this is where we start sorting out your connection, okay? Where we speed up your connection. Make sure you use this port number here. It's 11136. I found that is the fastest port there is at the moment. Keep updated, as I'll write in the description port number and the number next to it, and I'll update it for the best ports you can get every month, okay? So keep an eye on that. Click enable UMP port mapping, click enable NAT PMP, and add Windows firewall exception. Untick randomized port each start, you don't want that. Proxy server, stuff all this, you want to keep it at none. Then once you've done that, go to bandwidth. Do not click apply yet, leave that. Go to bandwidth, put your maximum upload rate to 670, because you know you're to download, because you're getting downloads. You want to upload some seeds back for people, right? But you don't want to be rinsing out your download speed, so just maximize it at 670 kilobytes per second. If you, a lot of people do unlimited. Why would you do unlimited when, if you have it unlimited, that could reach like 1.3 megabytes uploads and you're getting no downloads? That's what I don't get about some people's videos. Global download rate limit, you want that at 0, because you want that literally unlimited. As you can see up here, during the video, keep an eye on my download speed, watch it fluctuate, brilliant. Global rate limit options, right, apply rate limit transport overhead, untick these two. Now, this is where I get confused with people online, okay? Maximum number of connections, maximum number of peers per torrent. Now, what this is if you look on Utorrent, you've got seeds and peers, yeah? When you're actually on an actual website to download torrents, okay, there's always a number next to them. That's seeds and peers. What that is, every person that downloads that file leaves it on their leaves it on their system so they can upload seeds. And what seeds does, it's different connections that actually speeds up the download. The more seeds and peers, the more faster the download will come down. Okay, I'm just trying to get an example here, but Utorrent slowing it down. Give me 2 seconds. Because what I don't get, I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube where they've actually said have this at 200 and this at like 100. You want to get as many peers and seers as you can and connections so it downloads faster. So why are you saying less when you want more so it downloads faster? It's fucking confusing. It does my nutting. You're all a bunch of twats because you don't know what you're fucking doing, because you're all copying each other when you don't know what you're doing. So look, you see all these seeds and leeches, yeah? The more of these, yeah, let's say you get thousands and thousands and thousands, yeah, the more of these, the better, okay? So you want to bring your maximum connections to 1890 and your maximum number of connected peers per torrent to 2329, or if you want to round it to the nearest 10, so 2330. I just typed in any random number between 20 and 30. Number of upload slots, I say 3. And then click this, use additional upload slots if upload speed's below 90%, okay? Next, go to your BitTorrent and they just copy everything here. So tick all this, and leave limit local per bandwidth. That will slow you down like a heck of a lot. And then make sure your outgoing is enabled, and then tick that. Transfer cap, make sure that's undone. Now queuing. Maximum number of active torrents. Now I advise you, if you want the fastest torrents, only have it at 2, because if you have it anymore, that means it leaves the extra slots with connection, so it takes all the connections from the file you're downloading just to have these ready. So have it at 2, and active downloads, do them one at a time, you get the best speeds you can. So 2 and 1. Minimum ratio for seeding 100. Minimum seeding, that just 0. Minimum number of seeds, available seeds 0. Seeding task of higher priority, untick that. Untick that. Scheduler, don't need that. You don't need remote. Playback, you don't need. Pedback, right, now go to advanced, open it up, go to where is it? This one, disk cache. Untick override automatic cache size. Tick reduce memory usage. Tick enable caching of disk writes. Untick these 2 here. Underneath enable caching of disk writes. Tick enable, just copy this basically. It'll be exactly the same. Don't worry about web UI and don't worry about run program. Now the last bit is the advanced. So click on the actual button advanced. Go to BT allow the same IP. Click it, change it to true, and then should be like a set button. Alright, maybe not. So have that true, okay. Look at that, I just downloaded that 1.24 gigs within a matter of 20 minutes. That's crazy. So make sure that's true. BT band ratio, change that to 128, and then type it in there, and then click set. BT band threshold, change that to 3, click set. BT compact allocation, change that to false. BT connect speed, change that to 50. Let 1.1 megabytes up there. BT connection speed 50, set, click set. BT determine encoded rate, make sure that's true. BT enable pulse, make sure that's true. BT enable tracker, make sure that's true. BT failover peer seed threshold, make sure you change that to 512. BT graceful shutdown, make sure that's true. Same with the next one, BT multi-scrape, true. BT no connector services, make sure that's false. Next one, leave. BT prior first last piece, make sure that's false. Prioritize partial pieces, false. BT pulse interval, change that to 1200 and click set button. and then the pulse weight, change that to 200 and click set. The BT randomized peer ID, next one, click, make sure that's true. BT rate limit, you want it false. Leave the next one, leave the BT read only, true. BT save resume rate, make sure it's 120. Where is it? Where's the next one? Two seconds. Make sure the writing queue is 32. So look for Diskio max writing queue, change that to 32. Right, now the GUI updates, this is what you need to sort out the GUIs. GUI auto restart, true. The colour, leave that, or just copy, if you want to do it true you can. But the ones you need is GUI enable comment, enable ratings, wait, where is it? GUI no torrents node, make sure that's false. And the next one false. Favicons, GUI show RSS favicons true please. Then you want to change your update rate. Go to GUI update rate, change that to 2000, click set. IP filter dot enable, change that to false. The ISP peer policy, change that to true, and then the next one false. Go to your, copy these ones, find net.calc RSS overhead and copy exactly what I've got here. So from there to there. To true, true, false, true, for false. Peer disconnect inactive, true. Peer disconnect inactive interval, change that to 900, click set. Peer resolve country, you want that false. Queuing don't count slow DL, change that to false, and the next one as well, UL, false. RSS feed as default label, click that true. RSS update interval, change that to 30, click set. And that is it. So once you've done all that, press apply, OK, let it close, give it about, it will take half an hour ish to the speed to start jumping up. Because what it will do, Utorrent will have to get used to your internet connection as you've just changed its settings, so it will be milking the heck out of your internet. It will be nicking everything from everywhere. You won't be able to use your phone internet on it, or if you're connected to your router, because this will be milking your internet so you get the fastest speeds. And that's why I just downloaded Fast and Furious 6 1.24 gigs within 25 minutes and 40. Well, that 22 minutes because it finished about 4 minutes ago. I hope this helps. If it does, click the like button, would appreciate. Subscribe as well, so I will be doing more of these videos. And what I want is people to inbox me to find, like, if they want help with computer shit, let me know so I can get more videos done. Thanks for watching. See you later guys. Thomas is all good out. That's all I've got to say.